Hi guys, welcome to CA Inter MCQs of your paper number 6A, Financial Management. I am Anuj Jalota. Over the last many months, we all have made a decent attempt to be bringing the best of the knowledge, best of the concepts to every student at absolutely no cost. So, all our lectures of CA Inter costing of my previous batch are available on YouTube free of cost. They include soft copy of the book. They include tests that are done at the end of every chapter. They include summary of every question. So on the last day, you all can only see the summary of every question. You all can be going for the examination. Every question of module covered, dedicated kind of a homework section, solution to the homework section, everything possible that you can be asking for. And further, all the MCQs of CA Inter costing are already there on our YouTube channel. I request you all to check them up. They are arranged in a playlist manner, one for the entire course and one for each chapter also. Let's start it off. So therefore, a debenture. Question for today is debenture is a long-term loan. Okay, first option. Second option. Second option does not require security. Okay. Third one is a short-term loan. And lastly, in this case, it receives the dividend payments. This is easier. This is how we started away with the entire subject of FM also. Kindly comment the correct answer. Now, we all started off. See, we are talking of debentures. Okay. Does not require security. Now, you must be knowing that debentures, whenever they are issued, debentures are always secured debentures. Something is kept as security. So, if ever the company is not being able to repay the debenture capital, then that asset can be liquidated to pay the money back to the debenture holder. Is a loan that you all have taken. It is coming in the category of secured loans. Always do remember that. One other thing just from my side, public deposits are always unsecured, but debentures are always secured. So therefore, does not require security. This second statement is false. Okay, is short term in nature? No. Debentures are not issued for a period of 1 year to finance your working capital. No. They are not issued for temporary needs. No. It is a form of long-term capital which is issued basically to finance your expansion plans, to finance your fixed assets up and so on. Something like, that will give you income over a period of time. Okay. So therefore, this answer is also no. Third one, receives the dividend payments. Of course, no. Debenture holders are entitled to interest beta. They are not entitled to receive the dividend. Interest is an expense. Dividend is an appropriation of profit. Okay, so what is left? First option is a long term. Obviously, debentures are long-term funds. Okay, so this answer is correct. So coming back to your question as such, a debenture is, out of the 4 options, I guess no guesses for that. Answer should be A over here. It is a long-term loan. That's it from my side. Please do note that all these lectures are only of use if you're going to be commenting the correct answer the moment I give you the time for it. That is the time to be commenting. Okay. It is not only required to listen to the explanation. Okay, your job is to be commenting the correct answer the moment I ask you all to comment. It will help you. It'll keep the things in your mind. I'll see you all next time. Bye.